United States of America, okay, USA, including Canada and surrounding countries. I'm just going to number these instead. Okay. But yeah, John says there are 7 heads, 10 horns, and 10 diadems on the horns. Okay. And this is in Revelation chapter 13:1. And I stood on the sand of the sea, and I saw a beast come up out of the sea, having 10 horns and 7 heads, and upon his horns 10 diadems, and upon his heads names of blasphemy. Okay. Yeah. So John is standing on the sea here, and he sees 7, 7 heads coming out of the sea. These are the 7 continents. The 10 horns on the heads are the 10 regional groupings of the world. Okay, so we're going to continue doing here. And then there will be 10 rulers, 1 over each regional grouping. But then there is also an 11th horn mentioned. Okay. Yeah, the 11th horn of Revelation, and this will be where the Antichrist steps in. You can find this online. They are the post-World War II New World Order regions. First proposed in 1942, but now reinforced with the United Nations Millennium Development Goals Report 2009. And this is too big a coincidence, okay, because John mentions 7 heads, 10 horns, and 10 rulers, 10 crowns on the horns. So, USSR, number 2. This pen's going, not up here, it's my only black pen, I like this one. USSR, okay. Including, I mean, they get a bit strange. This includes Iran, Mongolia. Now, what's funny is this was all put in place to prevent another world war from occurring. That was the whole reason for the United Nations and these plans being drawn up. But whether they realise it or not, they're actually enforcing, they're actually fulfilling the book of Revelation, John's Revelation. Mongolia, Manchuria, Finland, and all of Eastern Europe. Alright, I'm not going to continue writing all of these down because it takes a while, and it's all in my book, okay. Right, number 3. United States of South America. Okay, so the USA is North America and Canada. Now there's a United States of South America. Okay, this is what the UN are planning since World War II. Number 4, and coincidentally, the headquarters of the United Nations is in, you got it, New York. 4. Union of African Republics, UAR. Which is all of Africa. 5. The AFR, the Arabian Federation Republics. Okay. I'm going to write that. Arabian Federation of Republics. Six. This is most of the Middle East, Middle East. Okay, Middle East. 6. Right. The Federation Republics of India, okay, FRI. FRI. Federation Republics of India. Alright. 7 is the URC, United Republics of China. URC, United Republics of China. Number 8. United States of Scandinavia. How bizarre. Of all places, United States of Scandinavia. You should see when we get to Europe, the British Commonwealth of Nations. That one is really weird. United States of Scandinavia. Well, actually, yeah, it's not that weird considering the colonisation. United States of Europe, USE, United States of Europe. Oh, so yeah, this one, sorry, includes Sweden, Norway and Denmark. Sweden, Norway, Denmark. Okay. USE is United States of Europe. I'm not going to write all these down, I'll just say them. That includes France, Switzerland, Spain, Germany, Portugal, Italy and the Benelux countries. Okay, yeah. And then we have 10th region of the world. British Commonwealth of Nations, BCN. Okay, I'm going to have to change pen here. BCN. British, much better. Commonwealth of Nations. Okay. Great Britain, GB, yeah, we're doing alright. We've got a great Prime Minister, and Mayor of London's hilarious. He's got to be the most likeable politician. Guy's a legend. Anyway, GB, Sri Lanka, Madagascar, Australia, New Zealand, let's put NZ, and most of Indonesia. Okay.